Are you looking to make money fast and easy? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll explore some methods that can help you achieve just that. One way to earn money is by taking online surveys or writing reviews. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research pay you for your opinion on various topics and products. If you have a specific skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients who are looking for your expertise. The gig economy offers opportunities to make money by driving people around, delivering goods, or doing odd jobs. Apps like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit make it easy to get started. Do you have unused items in good condition? You can sell them on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace and turn your clutter into cash. Companies often pay for consumer feedback on their products. You can participate in market research by signing up for focus groups in your area or online.